One of the reason I came to Nepal after spending 18 years in the US was to, promote the development of blockchain technology here. Different apps, if possible, different kind of blockchains, all of those. I want to personally, encourage people to be in this space because it's an amazing technology, and I hope some of the we can prevent some of the brain drains, like me, because we could do a lot of things यहीँ बसेर के. So one thing I want to talk about is हाम्रो organization eSatyaले, what are you trying to do now, beside awareness and all the meetups, we want to promote the technology. And I know most of the times we hear about blockchain is blockchain कुरा मात्रै भइराछ, गर्न चाहिँ के गरिराछ भन्ने काइन्ड अफ उस हुन्छ हैन. यहाँ हामीलाई मात्रै हैन कि मोस्ट अफ द यो ब्लकचेन बेस्ड कम्पनीलाई त्यही नै क्वेशन्स आउँछ कि. अनि वी आर एक्चुअली वर्किङ अन कपल अफ डिफरेन्ट प्रोडक्ट्स हैन. अनि सो द्याट कुड बी फर द पब्लिक सेक्टर or even and for the private sectors. And I want to talk about one or two products that we are working on. These we are researching it now. We are we have developers. We want to develop these products so that somebody who wants to develop similar products don't have to go through start from scratch. So one of the product I want to talk about is something called Bhumi, and Bhumi basically it's about land. So land ma चाहिँ what we are trying to do is so all this नेपालको ल्यान्डमा यति धेरै ल्यान्ड फ्रड छ अनि we hear every day newspaper मा and one of the primary reason ल्यान्डमा फ्रड हुने कारण is because there's no accountability अनि all this paper based अलि digital based भए पनि there's so much point for corruption, right, that it would be obvious that people where there is places to do corruption, people would do it. It's just business. अनि so तर using technology we can prevent that. So land ma चाहिँ basically what we want to do is all these land digitize हुनलाई encourage गरेपछि digitize भयो भने all these transactions एउटा land transfer गर्न अर्को land एउटाको land अर्कोसँग transfer गर्नलाई that involves banks, नापी विभाग, सडक विभाग, all of those we want to bring them into a kind of a common network. अनि त्यो नेटवर्कमा ल्याएर चाहिँ then we want to put all these transactions in blockchain. And you know about blockchain, it is immutable, which is tamper proof. Even the people who is going to take care of the network, जति घुस दिए पनि they won't be able to change the transaction. So यसले चाहिँ सबै win-win situation हुन्छ कि बैंकलाई पनि win situation हुन्छ except the losers will be the ones who are the negative actors of the society. अनि मान्छेहरुलाई पनि win हुन्छ because it will be more and more efficient and everything will be transparent. So that's what we are trying to do. अनि हाम्रो यो काठमाडौँ अर्बन च्यालेन्जमा पनि यसलाई हामीले अप्लाई गरेछ यो देखाउनलाई डेमो गर्नको लागि. अनि अर्को प्रोडक्ट we are working is something called AgriClear. AgriClear is basically what we are trying to do in AgriClear is अनि हाम्रो एउटा पार्टनर छ सिन्धुलीमा. He has leased 50 ropenis of land to do new kind of data driven agriculture. And हाम्रो यो distribution partners हरु छ यहाँ. So उहाँहरुले चाहिँ basically they want to have the supply chain properly managed. अनि in the due process all of those त्यो ग्रो गर्नेदेखि लिएर मान्छेको टेबल आउन्जेलसम्म त्यो चेन अफ कस्टडी हुन्छ नि फुडको फ्रुट्सको भेजिटेबल्सको चेन अफ कस्टडी ट्र्याक गर्ने सो यसले चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने लाइक इन फ्युचरमा वाट यु कुड डु इज इफ यु गो टु भाटबटेनी एन्ड देन यु विल सी क्युआर कोड अगेन्स्ट वान लाइक से काउली एन्ड यु स्क्यान इट एन्ड यु विल सी कहिले त्यो बिउ रोपेदेखि लिएर कहिले यदि भनौँ इभन पेस्टिसाइडै छरेछ भने इफ इट्स सेफ प्र्याक्टिस वाट पेस्टिसाइड अनि इफ इट्स अ सेफ फार्मिङ अर नट अनि कहिले हार्भेस्ट भयो कोले त्यो सामान प्रडक्ट छोयो until it came to the shelf in the Vadbani. People will believe with photo evidence they will be able to see it अनि त्यो बिचमा कसैले पनि त्यो डेटा ट्याम्पर गर्न सक्दैन because of blockchain. So that's one thing supply chain ma we are trying to work that with our partners. अनि अर्को चाहिँ हामीले अब यो डिजिटल आइडेन्टिटी म्यानेजमेन्टको लागि पनि वी आर वर्किङ अन इट. सो दिज आर थ्री थिङ्स वी आर अलरेडी लाइक स्टार्ट रिसर्चिङ एन्ड स्टार्ट वर्किङ अन इट. अनि इफ देयर इज एनी अदर आइडियाज इफ यु वान्ट टु ट्राई आउट, प्लिज लेट अस नो and will entertain your ideas, will help you develop it, even connect with the right partners, and if possible give you resources. Thank you.